So a little update. They're still currently working on getting down, but they're only pulling in like a little bit at a time because of how far it is swaying. And they literally closed the ride. At least for now, until the wind dies down. But look at this. I've watched about like 5 of these things now, 6 of these things maybe, and this has been the most nerve-wracking part after each and every flight. Like the last 20 feet. Swinging back and forth. And they can't pull them in too fast. Look at all the slack in them wires. Bloop. Oh. Big old monstrosity. Swinging back and forth. Like a big old floppy jellyfish in the sky. Oh, so close. Almost there. Almost there. Oh, no, there we go. Bring it back, That's it, that's the old girl. All right, lock her down. Oh, I can't even. My heart's racing. Whew. Look at them. They're applauding. They're applauding because they lived. They got down alive. You should be thankful for that. Oh. Look at these people. Getting off all nimbly-bimbly. Oh my goodness. That's right, wave. There's mine, a brave little soldier, and his mama is fearless. Look at him. I had a tiger. He's a better man than me already. Look at him, he's only 4. Goodness gracious.